Hi friends, welcome to my channel Streaming with Swat. And today I'm going to stream about Amazon Prime original series, that is Patal Lok. Now I have seen this series quite some time back, and when I have updated the review for this series, at first I was copyrighted. I couldn't upload the series, but I hope I did that video in a very different manner, but whatever, it didn't work out, so I couldn't upload that video, and now I'm making this video again. Anyway, Patal Lok is a original series. It is made in Amazon Prime. The rating for this movie in IMDb is 7.8, which is a very high rating, and I think it deserves it. And the description for this series given in IMDb is: a down and out cop lands the case of a lifetime when 4 suspects are nabbed in the assassination attempt of a journalist. The pursuit of it leads him to Patal Lok and to shocking discoveries in the past of the 4 suspects. So this is the description given in IMDb. Now firstly, people who might not know what is the meaning of Patal Lok, let me just tell you. The Patal Lok basically means, in English language, it means hell. Anyway, this series stars Jaideep Ahlawat, Neeraj Kabi, Ishwak Singh, Abhishek Banerjee, Jagjit Sandhu, Niharika Lyra Dutt, Swastika Mukherjee, Gul Panat, Asif Khan, and many other actors. And this series is directed by Sudeep Sharma. So this series is, I would say, the initial reaction of this series, I would say this is the best Indian series that is available in OTT platform. From whatever I have seen quite a few OTT series in OTT platform. Sacred Games was very good, but in the second season I think it didn't really lived up to the expectation. The first season of the Sacred Games was really great. Mirzapur is also another series that I like a lot, but I think Patal Lok was truly a wonderful series so far, based on whatever I have watched in the season 1. The series starts with police nabbing 4 accused to assassinate a journalist, and that's played by Neeraj Kabi. And this police officer go on to search for the reason behind it and dig deeper into the truth, and whatever he finds, that is what the series is all about. This series has some amazing and fascinating details about criminal world and how criminals are used by politicians and other peoples. It has some really amazing and fascinating details. Abhishek Banerjee in particular was the actor who really stood up as Vishal Tyagi, and he was really very good in this series. Among all the assassinate, Hatora Tyagi, as he was named in the movie. Also, Neeraj Kabi is another actor who was brilliant in this movie, who played the journalist, and the way he did everything was amazing. It was brilliant. The lead actor, Jaideep Ahlawat, was just brilliant, and I think we have all seen him in many important, in many good movies like Gang of Wasseypur. In case you remember, he played an important role there, and other than that, In the movie Razi, he played a very important role. So in many movies he has already proved that he's a good actor, but here he got the lead role and he did complete justice to that. He was really brilliant. I understand that the movie has some controversy behind it, this series, but like the lynching scene and some of the scene, but those scenes are not really very important part of this series. Those are more of a background scene in the environment in which these criminals are born or these criminals are living, the place where they are living. That is what is all about. So it is not like the main theme of this series. So as a story, I would say that people can just overlook all these things as just a story point of view. I don't think that it is so much controversial as such. In earlier movies, we have seen several movies in 90s, 70s, 80s, where the politician is extremely corrupt and terrible and people are bashing them, talking about these politicians. So these kind of things are very normal to movies to show this kind of stuff. So I don't think that it's so controversial, and people must understand this is just a story. And I think that by now these controversies have mellowed down a lot, and this series is very much available in Amazon Prime. So in case you guys have not seen this series, I would suggest people to definitely check this series out. This series is really good. I liked it, and I'm sure that you guys will also like this series. Particularly people who like dark and thrillers, they would love this series. This is really a good one. So people, in case you have already seen Patal Lok, please write down below that what do you think about this series, and write down which is your favorite OTT series so far, which one you like the most. In terms of Indian series, which is your favorite, if you have seen any Indian series yet. If you are not an Indian, then there are chances that many non-Indians not seen much of the OTT series outside Netflix. So if you are a non-Indian, do write down below that which is your favorite Indian OTT series, and do give suggestions for future videos so that I can stream those according to your suggestions. Do follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and do like this video to upvote this video. Hit the subscribe button in case you have not hit the subscribe button yet. And thank you for watching this video. Be safe, take care, and peace.